Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can use flicker effect in CapCut. Open my CapCut application. Then import your video on which you want to add flicker effect. After importing video, click on the text. Then tap on the add text option after that. Just add a letter L here. And then tap on the check mark. After that, just zoom in on the letter until it covers the entire screen. So I'm just going to move the cursor here to cover the whole video. And then after that, just stop on the style option, and then go to this style option again. And then in here, we can change the opacity according to video. After that, you can also change the color of your flicker effect. You can use either white, black, or gray, but as for me, I'm just going to choose white. And then go to this animation option, and then tap on the loop option, and then find flicker effect. And use this flicker effect. So in here, you can also control the flicker if you want it fast or slow, so I'm just going to play it again so as you can see the flicker effect. So that's how easy you can use flicker effect in CapCut. I hope this video helped you out, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Thank you, and we'll see you on our next video.